To set up app time limit on iPhone 16e, then first of all we need to go to settings. Then in the settings we want to choose screen time, and you will need to turn on app and website activity if you didn't do that before. So you want to select this option and then choose to turn on. With this option enabled, you have access to app limits. So if you go over here, you can press add limit, then you can choose apps which you want to include in that limit. You can either use these categories like this, or you can tap on these categories in order to reveal apps that belong to that category. So let's say I'm gonna choose all games plus this Apple TV app. And then we can press next in the top right corner. We can choose the time limit. So let's say I'm gonna choose 3 hours. For now it is set to every day, but we can also tap on customize days in order to choose different time limit for different days of the week. And then once, I just closed it by accident. So once you are done with the setup, then you can press add in the top right corner. And there we go, now we have the limit set up here. And of course, this limit is shared among all these apps that you have added. And that's pretty much it. If you want to turn off the app limit, then of course you can still do that by tapping on this switcher here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!